Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you my parrots room, how we teach them. Let's see. This is Amazon family, yellow nap and yellow crown. This Amazon baby is 8 months old and this one Amazon yellow nap is 1.5 year old. Right now he is in playing mood. And this Amazon yellow nap is 4 months old. This is Amazon yellow crown, almost 20 year old. They are also part of our family. This setup is for learning and there is a camera so I can see always and I can record the videos. This is Casco family or gray parrots. This Casco is 8 years old. This Casco baby is 6 months old. Hey, why are you angry? Here is another Casco, it is 1 year old. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comments. Thank you.